What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at some more functions with OS module in Python. So in the last video we saw how to create a directory, how to change the directory, how to create multiple files inside that directory, and then we created another empty directory and copied all these files into that other directory. Now, if I try to run this again, it is going to fail on line 4. It says that file already exists. It cannot create a file name that already exists. Now, it is an ambiguous error message because it's not a file, it's a directory. And to check if a directory already exists, you can use a try catch exception over here to check for this and skip making the directory. Or what I can do is I can show you how to remove a directory. So I can do os.mkdir and say Vishu3. If I do this now, it is going to create Vishu3. The other way to remove it is rmdir, which stands for remove directory. So I can run this, it would remove Vishu3. Now, the problem is if I do Vishu2, it is going to throw an error because it is not empty. And that is where we can use shutUtil remove tree, and I'm going to say Vishu2. So I can run this, it is going to delete everything inside there. And even Vishu, it is going to delete everything. So I can run this. It has deleted everything. I can run this again. It has created all these. Now, how can we handle this try catch here? So what I will say is if os.path.is directory, and I can put Vishu, which means that if Vishu directory already exists, then shutUtil dot remove tree. So I already have remove tree over here. And I don't need to use shutUtil, then remove tree Vishu. This is going to delete everything in there. Print Vishu deleted. And then it is going to do this. And the same thing we can do over in make directory Vishu2 and run this, and it would show that it deleted those. Okay, so we are getting another error. Vishu2 already exists. And I know why we are getting this error. It is because we are inside Vishu2. We are inside this Vishu directory. So I can do os.path and then I will do an here and put a backslash. So if this exists, then remove tree. We have to put the whole thing again. And over here too. So this should actually do it because remember we changed the directory to go inside here. So that is causing the problems, and now you will see that it also deleted both of them. And then it created these. The reason you are still seeing these is because it created after deleting. So it deleted all those and then it created again. But that is basically how you check. And the other way I can tell you is I wanted to show you how to remove it. You don't need to remove the directory if it exists. So what you can do is if not, this gives true. If it exists, it gives true. So if does not exist, which means if not os.path, then I'm going to create the directory, go inside the directory and do all of these things. So if it does not exist, then it is going to do all those things. But if I run this now, it is not going to do anything because it already exists. So we saw how to remove directories, just rmdir, but that only works if the directory is empty. So we saw how to use the remove tree. And the last one that I wanted to show you is os.change directory. Let's go inside Vishu. And then os.rename, and then I can do 1.txt to 11.txt, and this is going to change this file to 11, and that's the rename function we have over here. So it still says, oh, this is file 1, but it is actually file 11 because we renamed it. We can rename it again and it's just going to change. But we saw 3 functions in this video: the remove directory, remove tree, and rename. And we also saw how to check if the directory exists. And the same can be done with files. So I can do print os dot, let's print os dot path dot is file 111.txt, and this should give me a true. Oh, what is it saying? Oh, I cannot rename it again because the file 11.txt does not exist. So this should give me a true because the file exists 111. So I think that is it for this video, guys, and I think we are done with the OS module. Most of the common things have been done, and in the next video we might start doing more decorators. So that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.